welcome to our channel, Plant Related, where we talk about all the plant-related things with my brother Carlos.
And my sister Daylin.
Today, we're going to be talking about our individual top 5 favorite plants that we would recommend for a beginner plant.
Yes. Our top 3.
Oh!
Okay, let's
Well, it depends how we feel after this.
We were gonna do top 5, but we lost the video so many times that it is now turned into our top 3. And you know what? I showed my top 3 in the beginning.
So did I. So if you like this kind of content and you want to find out the other
4 plants were,
give us a like and
let us know in the comments.
We'll record it again.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll start. So my first plant here is actually right here. It is a Philodendron Brazil. So the reason I picked this philodendron is because as a plant beginner, the new growth is really obvious because it's orange. And I think that is something that I really appreciated as a beginner. Like, yes, I can spot new growth on a pothos, but this is a lot more obvious when I don't really know what I'm looking for. Do you have?
I also have. I also brought.
Oh yeah, that's funny. Okay.
Philodendron. So
I mean, it also comes in orange, so I also thought about bringing my heart leaf as well.
Yes.
But I think it's just the fact that it's highlighted exactly where the growth is coming from.
And it's a fast grower, so you can get like pretty instant gratification.
So as far as care, the one mistake I made with this is I left it out in the sun for maybe 4 hours in the middle of the day, and it burned pretty significantly, but I chopped it back and it all grew back.
Yeah, I would say overall, the reason that I love this is the care is super easy. It's a fast grower. It can get super long and super viney, which I think is so fun, especially as a beginner. Like, you want a plant that's gonna grow fast, it's gonna give you pretty instant gratification. And then also another reason why I love this for a beginner's plant is because you can propagate it so easily.
Yes.
And it's so fun to be able to do that early on, while you're like still getting to know your plants.
Definitely.
So, yes, I also have a philodendron.
Definitely a beginner friendly.
Yay, okay, so number 1, see, I told you we were gonna have some in common. So
okay, yeah.
The first
we're
one
definitely gonna have a lot in common.
we had in common.
Tin, tin, tin.
Oh, first one, it was the same, so I'm curious if you're gonna have this one. I don't think you're gonna have this one, but we will find out. So, number 2 is a rubber tree.
Beauty.
Do you have that one?
I don't have a rubber tree.
Okay. I brought 2 different kinds just to show you guys, but I think first of all, having like actual tree plants, like the philodendrons, they're just like viney, they climb, a little bushy. These rubber trees, which are ficus, they are actual trees, which I think is so fun to have for a beginner. And they are generally really easy to take care of. I am a huge fan of how the leaves come in. So you guys can kind of see this leaf coming in right here, and it's just gonna continue to unfurl as it grows. And this just like bright, shiny leaves. And I love how the leaves just continue to get bigger and bigger. I mean, like, look at how big this leaf is in comparison to this baby leaf.
Tell me when the seasons changed.
Yes, literally. And notices that with figs, if you don't water them, they may drop leaves. But don't get too scared if they drop leaves. Just go back to your normal routine and take that as a hint that you probably shouldn't have waited so long to water it. But otherwise, the care is so easy. And I am honestly obsessed with how the leaves come out.
Alright, so his number 2.
My number 2 is rubber tree.
Rubber tree. Okay.
Alright.
On to my second one is going to be Syngonium.
Oh, okay. I don't have that one either.
So, any Syngonium. I have this pink illusion. I picked the pink illusion because it's just nice to add some color, especially as a plant beginner. Love the growth pattern, and just wait to see like if it's gonna be pink on the inside. But I love how structural it is, and they're super easy to care for. I find that they can take a lot of sun.
Are they like pretty drought tolerant?
Yes, very drought tolerant, and I let them dry out all the way, as you can see there in this terracotta pot. So yeah, my second choice is Syngonium. I'm hoping to collect more. I have 3 right now. I couldn't tell you what they are, just that make believe.
Okay, next one. This one I will say is, I'll show you, but I think it is honestly one of the best beginner's plants.
Ooh, you have a Bonnie here.
And this right here is a little spider plant, and they're called spider plants because of their little tiny babies that they get. And you can see they grow like these long vines with all sorts of little planty babies. And you can tell my cats love it. And it's really easy to care for. It grows really fast. It matures very quickly. It's pretty drought tolerant, and as far as light goes, it's also very versatile. If you give it a good amount of light, which it can take, it'll grow so fast, which is so fun. And honestly, so the main reason that I picked this is because the babies are so easy to propagate. And I did also bring some what it looks like once you propagate these little babies, just to show you guys. I'm rooting these ones in moss, and these ones are pretty fairly rooted. In the bottom, all of the roots that it's grown.
Cute.
So it's really,
wow, it's ready.
This one's ready to be potted.
Leave it here.
Yeah, this will be your little gift maybe.
So for my spider plant, I actually have it outside for the summer. Wow.
But yeah, so
Spider
this is
plants.
why I love spider plants for beginners. Oh, one of them must have been stuck to something.
All right.
Okay, well here's your gift.
Thanks. Cute. All right, on to my choice. My next choice here. We're gonna go with something that's also, I think, an underrated beginner plant. Some might call a mall or church plant, a spathiphyllum something, a peace lily. So I actually picked my Domino peace lily. I have 2 just to, make it slightly more exciting here. I think it's such an easy but telling plant. She will fall over like the dramatic, beautiful queen that she is when she's thirsty, and she
talks
will
to you.
let you know.
I love that.
And then these beautiful flowers, they usually come blooming from the nursery, and a lot of people say they can't get them to bloom again, but I've had a lot of luck. All these blooms came in my care, but it's just part of its charm.
I do love the flowers, and if you can get a beginner plant that flowers, I think that's really fun. Because a lot of plants have a hard time flowering indoors, and so I think definitely it being able to flower makes it a fun one. So you guys, those were our favorite beginner plants.
Top 3, total of top 6.
That was 5 because we only matched. Thank you so much for watching Plant Related here with my sister Daylin.
My brother Carlos.
And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll catch you next time.
See ya.